Hey guys, today I'm going to take you through some of the new, I think it's pronounced Raichu or Raikea or something like that. I've heard it pronounced a couple different ways. But I'm going to take you through some of that new Proline product. And from my understanding, and I'm pretty sure this is right, this is from the Happy Family company of fireworks. And so it's obviously their Proline. And I have picked up a number of different cakes, far different shots, different sizes from my local wholesale company. And it's the first time I've seen or put my hands on any of this stuff. And so I'm going to take you through some of these fireworks. Obviously, I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen how this stuff's put together, as far as packaging and all that. But I'm gonna give you some prices of my wholesale company as well. That way you have that comparison for if you ever are looking into buying some of this stuff, and you also want to consider, buying from the place that I get from. So down here, this is actually a consumer cake. And as far as I know, they title all these with the max load. And then they've got, number 1 through whatever. This one here is, I believe it's like the spider palms on this. Let's see if it says here. Well, anyhow. And I think for the most part, all these are going to be, the 2 angled cakes that we're seeing a lot of companies come out with now. And as a matter of fact, this one is not the spider. This one, I think, is more of a nishiki effect with a large color pearl. And this one, through the company which is Snyder's Fireworks, located in St. Joseph, Missouri. It is container load number 1 right here. So it was $53.19 for this. So here with these smaller, the Proline, and these are absolutely classified differently than this other, Pro stuff. They call it Pro, but it's actually really no different than the consumer stuff. They're just packaging multiples together, or like you see the 76 Proline, it's really no different. This newer stuff that we're seeing, that's multiple cakes and a lot of shots and all that operate, like the overloads that we've seen for a long time. They're a classification of their own, and I know the firework industry is kind of thinking over what to do, how to handle these new fireworks. So this one is a 36 shot time rain willow. So this is the crackle willow I was thinking about, with 1 big color pearl, I do believe. That's what the eject color dahlia is referring to. And this one's a 42 shot neon color comet gold crown. This one is really, really pretty in the video I saw. So these guys are packaged pretty similar. Got the 2 cakes. These are not meant to be shot together, obviously. They're a 2-1 case. They're the same firework, meant to be. You can obviously fuse them together. They do have the outlet fuse there, but not specifically meant to be shot together. Let's see if I can get one of these pulled out. Well, so this is what this one looks like. This is how the RIAKEO company is packaging these Proline cakes. So let's get to the Proline section. Okay, here we are with the RIAKEO. So this is a 36 shot time rain. That's this one right here, and it was 62 through Snyder's. And this 42 shot color Comet was, or is, that's with the gold crown, so it's this one here, 72. And then this here is just a one cake case, 45 shot eject gold crown to white strobe tip with red strobe blue mine. This one was super pretty as well. I mean, all these were. This one was, I believe it's this guy here, so it was 52 for the one. Then we're on to these bigger ones here. So this and all the rest of these, I believe, have 4 cakes per case, and they are all meant to be fused together or connected together, you know, with these. There's the inlet port, and then there's the outlet, you know, that connects on to the next cake's inlet port. Or vice versa. I guess the red's the male. Yeah, so that would be the outlet port. So anyhow, this is what this case looks like. The particular fireworks. It's got a 24 shot, a 48 shot, 40 shot, 40 shot. And that one, what is that, 152 shots total, I think. So yeah, it's this one right here. So that was 139 for those 4 cakes. This one here, so all these are packaged. They all look like they're the same. And just about 53 shots. 50, 48, 48. This one here has a 56 shot, 71 shot, 57 shot, 57. And I don't think that's it there. This might be one of them that I got here. This 199 shot. And that was 170. I think I got either this 148 or this 108 shot here. One was 87, the other one was 130. The last one I'm going to show you, or the last one I got anyway, I don't know if I've shown you it or not. It was the 241 shot, and it was 175. And that's probably this one here. This is the last one over here that I haven't shown you. Here's the performance. They're all long, skinny. These ones are the longest of all of them. They're all nice skinny cakes. This is the performance on this one. Give you a better look at it. And then this is the performance on this one. And so hopefully before long I will be demoing a couple of these guys for comparison. Here's some of the Wizard Pro from Winda, and this is a let's see, this is package 2-1. It's a 100-shot X-shaped silver crackling tail to various colors. And I don't know that Wizard has come out with any of the this is how they package theirs. Any of the cases like these where they're meant to be shot together. And Wizard, yeah, so I believe that cake that I just showed you is right here, and it was $124 for the 2 of them with Schneider's. So anyway, guys, just wanted to show you what these new Raichu, or I don't even know if I'm going to attempt another pronunciation of it. But anyhow, what these new this new company, or this new Proline anyway, is doing with their stuff, and it all looks pretty awesome. Looks like they should perform, you know, like those 200-300 shot cakes that we see a lot of with the overload stuff. So anyhow, thanks for watching.